Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial. How to find out iCloud activation logs along with especially find my phone is disabled off or on any iPhone device by using a serial number, as we know that before updating iOS or resetting. We must know especially any iPhones, Find My Phone status, either it is on or off. If it is on, then firstly we will have to off and then we have to go for updations. Otherwise it will stuck in the especially on iCloud activation log. So how could I know especially Find My Phones is off or on? So for it guys, just we will open a Google Chrome browser and then type here ilnock.com and here simply we have to put here serial number or IMEI number and hit this OK to search bar. So now see here, it will take a scarcely 30 seconds hence, and then of course we will see here. Now see right now on this device especially, this is the serial number and this is especially Find My Phones is off. So of course you can go for the reset of this one's device. It will not stuck on the iCloud activation log. So yes, by using this one so we can find out. This is all about in this video tutorial guys. To know more detail about this website as well as especially to carrier country, then you can have especially by giving a serial number you will get all the detail also here. See, this especially website link I will give you below the description box. If you would like to have it, then of course within one click so you can find my phone's status. It's taking a little bit time to have the more detail. Now see guys here, warranty, it's out of warranty, and the purchase, that is especially this ones, and Find My Phones. Yeah, I had already mentioned to you especially past first activation, that was especially the I'm registered device, yes, valid purchase list, of course, and everything so you will get here. This is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.